Are you tired of unreliable laundry routines and inefficient washer performance? Welcome to our comprehensive guide exploring the best top-load washers on the market. Whether you're upgrading your home or looking for an energy-efficient solution, our expert insights and hand-picked selections deliver clarity and confidence. Our guide covers innovative features, easy maintenance, and durability, ensuring your laundry routine becomes smooth and enjoyable. Dive in as we reveal how modern top-load washers meet today's demanding lifestyle needs and enjoy unmatched performance. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website, consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Giantex Portable Top-Load Washer. If you're looking for a compact and efficient washing solution, the Giantex Portable Top-Load Washer offers a range of features designed to simplify your laundry routine. With its intelligent full automatic technology, this machine handles the entire process, from soaking and washing to rinsing and spinning, so you can enjoy a hands-off experience. It even automatically selects the right water level based on your laundry load, making it easier for you to care for your clothes. Inside, you'll find a stainless steel inner barrel featuring small perforations that allow water to pass through while providing a high-efficiency 360-degree tumbling action. This design mimics the thorough cleaning of manual washing, ensuring your garments receive a deep and even clean. You also have the flexibility of choosing from 8 programs and 10 water levels, giving you a tailor-made washing experience for every type of fabric. Its 1.5 cubic feet capacity, roughly equivalent to holding 11 pounds of clothes, means that whether you're washing a coat, shirts, underwear, or sheets, this washer accommodates your family's needs with ease. Designed with a full automatic operation in mind, this portable washing machine is ideal for those seeking both convenience and versatility. While it dries your clothes up to 90%, you may need to hang them out to dry fully. If you value efficiency and smart technology in your appliances, this Giantex washer can be a dependable addition to your home. Number 4. Frigidaire Top Load Washer. If you need a washer that combines performance with convenience, the Frigidaire Top Load Washer might be just what you're looking for. With a 4.4 cubic foot capacity, you can easily wash larger loads, up to 25 towels at once, making it perfect for busy households. The washer comes in a classic white finish, adding a sleek, modern touch to your laundry area while fitting seamlessly into your existing decor. If efficiency is a priority, you'll appreciate features like adjustable leveling legs, a delay start option, end of cycle signal, and a time remaining display that keep you informed throughout the cycle. The max fill option allows the washer to use extra water when needed, ensuring your heavily soiled clothes receive a deep, thorough clean without any extra effort from you. If you often deal with a variety of fabrics, this washer offers versatility with 10 wash cycles, including options for active wear, bulky items, delicates, normal loads, and even a quick wash cycle designed to clean your lightly soiled items in just 30 minutes. The intuitive touch controls further simplify the user experience, making it easy for you to choose the perfect cycle for any load. If convenience and versatility are on your laundry checklist, the Frigidaire Top Load Washer is an appliance designed to cater to your needs, providing optimal cleaning performance and ease of use in every cycle. Still searching for the perfect top-load washer? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. In number 3, BLACK+DECKER Top Loading Washing Machine. If you're seeking a powerful yet efficient solution to handle your laundry demands, consider the BLACK+DECKER Top Loading Washing Machine. With a generous 4.1 cubic foot capacity, you can easily manage large loads, making it an excellent choice for busy households or families with heavy laundry needs. This model is designed with you in mind, combining robust performance with user-friendly features. You'll appreciate the agitator system that delivers fast and effective cleaning for even the toughest stains, ensuring your clothes come out fresh and immaculate. The stainless steel wash tub not only offers long-lasting durability by resisting rust and wear, but it also enhances the overall performance of your washing routines. When it comes to versatility, this washer has you covered, offering a range of cycle options, from bulky and heavy-duty loads to normal washes, towels, and whites. With 10 different cycle selections at your disposal, you can tailor every wash to your specific fabric type and level of soiling. Moreover, the time delay feature grants you the freedom to schedule wash cycles up to 24 hours in advance, fitting perfectly into your busy life. Designed to blend seamlessly into your home, this top-load washer combines convenience, durability, and flexibility, ensuring that every load of laundry is handled with care and efficiency. Whether you're dealing with everyday wear or tough stains, you can trust this appliance to deliver consistent results while helping you maintain a streamlined household routine. Number 2. Kenmore Top Load Washer. If you're looking for a washer that works as hard as you do, the Kenmore Top Load Washer is built to meet your every need. You'll appreciate its triple action agitator, which tackles even the toughest stains by combining spraying action to target dirt from every angle, wash basket action to keep water flowing effectively, and agitator action to impressively move your clothes through the cycle. This robust system ensures deep cleaning without compromising on care. When managing your laundry, you'll value the versatility offered by 10 distinct cycles. Whether you're washing heavy-duty loads, delicate fabrics, or towels and whites, you have the perfect setting to fit your style. You can also select from 4 temperature options and even opt for an extra rinse, making the wash gentle on sensitive skin while thoroughly removing residues. Time is precious, and with features like Express Wash designed for small loads in just 28 minutes, and AcceleWash that speeds up full loads by up to 51% compared to standard cycles, you'll have more time for the things you enjoy. The soft, close-tempered glass lid adds an extra touch of convenience and safety, ensuring that the washer fits seamlessly into your busy home. With the Kenmore Top Load Washer, you can count on dependable performance and efficient results every time you do laundry. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Samsung Top Load Washer. If you're looking for a washer that combines style and functionality, the Samsung Top Load Washer is designed with you in mind. With a 4 cubic feet capacity, you can tackle large loads without feeling overwhelmed, making laundry day a little less daunting. Its classic white finish and glossy surface not only blend seamlessly with your home decor, but also reflect a commitment to quality. You'll appreciate the innovative hygiene steam feature that enhances the cleaning process by eliminating impurities and bacteria, ensuring that your clothes come out fresh and hygienically clean. This washer offers 8 versatile washing cycles, including bulky, quick wash, delicates, and normal, to cater to your varied laundry needs, while 3 dedicated drying cycles add an extra layer of convenience. The touch control panel is intuitive and responsive, allowing you to easily select the perfect cycle. The top load design means you can add items mid-cycle if needed, and the single compartment detergent dispenser simplifies your washing routine. Durability is also a priority, as the stainless steel drum stands up to frequent use, and it's designed to meet ENERGY STAR specifications for efficiency. Balancing impressive performance and energy efficiency, this washer is thoughtfully engineered to simplify your everyday chores while meeting modern standards. Every feature is tailored to make your laundry experience more comfortable and effective, so you can spend less time worrying about washing and more time enjoying life. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which top load washer you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.